All right, so today we'll be doing a Husqvarna 130L 18-inch medium duty trimmer review. This is my first time actually using this particular trimmer, and currently this is the trimmer that we have had. I've had this trimmer here for about 5 years. It's a Hyper Tough H2 2500. Now it just doesn't have any power. It'll start up very good and it will still cut. So we're going to try to improve with this Husqvarna, and let's go over some of the things with this 130L 18-inch. It actually comes with a little package here. We'll open this up. It comes with how to start, your Husqvarna guide, an extra bottle of 2-stroke oil, and it has this piece here for the gas cap. If you buy this Husqvarna 130L, this cost me $179, and cost also, if you get this is a no-brainer. You get the pre-mixed fuel and oil with it. You get a 5-year warranty, extended warranty, and that is a manufacturer warranty. I went on ahead and brought me some extra cord on here, and it also has a quick speed head on it. So this is one of the new quick speed heads, and we will go over this after we change it. We will be doing a product testing as well. Let's go back to the rear end of the Husqvarna where all the magic happens. It actually has a dashboard here that shows you how to start it. You have your one, you have pressed your pump here 10 times, and then you have your choke, which is this blue button here. You want to raise your choke up. Then here you need to pull this 3 times. And then after you pull it 3 times, you want to put your choke down halfway, and then you want to wait 10 seconds once you get all of that gasoline flowing through here. And then after 10 seconds, full throttle, you push it down and you should be ready to go. It also has your emergency clutch holder here with your start, and also your emergency shut off. All right, let's go ahead and put fuel in it. Move your cap. Also want to get your dipstick that it came in the kit. This is the cap that came with the kit. Remove your nozzle, and like I said, this is actually pretty good because it's already a fuel and oil mix. If you're not accustomed to mixing your gas with your oil ratio. All right, so we're going to follow instructions as it says 10 times. Now since we got gas in it, lift the choke all the way up. We're going to pull 3 times. Pull down halfway. It's idling up really good. And then all right, so one thing that's really convenient about this, it has a long throat here, so you won't be crunched over like this. You can stand up straight. You go side to side. For you guys that's never used a gas mower, on the bottom of your mower, it has a tap to extend your cutting radius. So this is an 18-inch cutting radius. So when you want to do it, you want to tap it on the ground, and you can hear it whenever it actually extends. You only need to really tap it once, and you can hear it. Then you have a piece that'll cut it automatically. The blade, it's a piece of bark right here. We're going to just tap on that to extend our cutting range. There we go. That's all you need. Whenever you're using any type of power tool, especially a weed eater, you want to take long, wide strokes, like you're sweeping the floor back and forth. All right, this is a good example. Weed eater feed is no longer there, and I know that there's more weeded in there, so I'm going to show you how to take this off to repair your weed eater string. First, use your emergency stop to cut it off to be safe. You can look inside there. There's still a little bit of string there, so I know that it's not empty. So how do you take this off? You got a place here that you push in, and on the opposite side you have another place. You use both your fingers here, you squeeze this here, and this should pop right out. All right, it pops right out. Now, as you see, there's still string there. Why did that happen? It may have got caught on the fence or anything. So instead of doing a quick release and filling it up, now you just take this out, and you can see where the problem lies. All right, so there's still string on here. All right, so what I would do is, this goes straight through. To make it easier, I would just pull this out like so. Now we're going to put this back in the cavity. It can only go one way. It'll seat flush. Like I said, it can only go down one way. This is my first time opening it up, so I wasn't sure. So you can't put it upside down or it'll be raised. So you want this to be flush. So you take this piece here, and remember how it goes straight through. All right, so when you put it down in the cavity, you're going to take this and it's going to flush it straight through there. Same way, you take your two little pieces that you pushed in, you're going to put them even until it lines up. Keep turning it, and then you're going to push, and it'll be locked. Now, how to put your string back in? You have this hole here. You're going to take it, and you're going to spin it clockwise until it matches up with an arrow. It's a little notch. That little notch right there. And then you're going to take your string, and it's a little hole in that notch. And you're going to take your string, and you're going to push it straight through that center until it comes out the other end. Here. And then you're going to pull it evenly to the end. All right, great. So what you want to do is hold your string so it will not tangle, and so your line will not get fouled. You want to hold this piece, and then you want to turn this clockwise all the way. And that does its job. All right, and don't worry about it if it's too long, because your blade will actually cut it. All right, so that's the first time that we had to change or fix the string. Very easy concept. That's the conclusion of the Husqvarna 130L. We actually put it through the test today, and it held up really good. So it has some good things about it that I really enjoyed. We're going to go ahead and test this out the rest of the summer, and I'm going to follow up with a follow-up review probably next summer. Thanks for watching.